name's Caroline Keane. I come from Sussex originally and moved here to the outskirts of Bala 6 years ago. Last summer I opened a bed and breakfast in one of the barns opposite my house, and it was full last year after lockdown restrictions were eased. This year it's been half full, and there are so many outdoor attractions on the doorstep that it's a perfect location for people to come and explore the national park. I think doing the scheme opens your eyes to your responsibilities as a resident within the park, to know about the history behind the park, to know really what is on offer to guests who want to come here, and ways in which you can respect their environment in the way you behave, the things that you do, the places you go, and preserve that for the future. Of course, everybody that comes here talks about Llysgennad or Snowdon. Many of my guests don't even know the proper Welsh name for Snowdon. So the course I particularly liked was History of Llysgennad. I learned a lot of facts I had no idea about, but I particularly liked that course because it was full of useful information to make any trip or climb of a Llysgennad safe, sensible, prepared. I particularly liked the 6 routes to the summit and the information about the app that's available to follow your climb as you go, that doesn't need internet, GPS related. So that was full of information that was relevant, useful to my guests, and I have made it so available in the room for reading before they go.